Traveling to Europe? Then you'll need euros. The euro is the official currency of 20 European countries. These countries are Austria, Belgium, Croatia, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Spain. While many European countries use the euro, some do not. For example, the United Kingdom, Switzerland, and Denmark still use their own currencies. When you plan your trip, check which countries use the euro to avoid any surprises. Knowing where the euro is used helps you plan your spending and exchange your money wisely. It also allows you to budget more effectively for your trip. So, keep the Eurozone map handy and travel smart. If you're traveling to Europe from outside, I would recommend you to get the money exchanged to euro in your home country in your bank to get the best exchange rate. However, if you need cash while you are in Eurozone, then the most convenient way to obtain euros is from ATMs using your debit card. ATMs are widely available throughout Europe. Another option is using currency exchange offices. However, be careful of high fees, especially at airports and tourist spots. Lastly, consider prepaid travel cards. Load them with the euros before you go for a secure and convenient way to manage your spending. While cash is still king in many places, but card payments are becoming increasingly popular. You'll find that most shops, restaurants, and attractions accept major credit and debit cards. Contactless payment methods like Apple Pay and Google Pay are also widely used. Let's understand the euros. Euro banknotes come in denominations of 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and 500 euros. Coins come in denominations of 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50 cents, and 1 and 2 euros. When using cash, it's always a good idea to have smaller denominations on hand, especially for smaller purchases or when tipping. Remember that tipping customs vary across Europe. In some countries in Europe, tipping is expected, while in others, it's not as common. Do your research beforehand to avoid any awkward moments. Let's look at the brief history of the euro. Euro was created to promote economic stability, simplify trade, and strengthen European unity. The Maastricht Treaty, officially known as the Treaty on European Union, was signed on February 1992 in Maastricht, Netherlands. This pivotal agreement laid the foundation for the creation of the European Union and introduced the framework for the single European currency, the euro. EU leaders agreed to create a single European currency to boost economic integration. In 1999, euro was introduced for electronic use only. The euro was launched as a virtual currency for banks, stock markets, and electronic transactions. Exchange rates for participating countries were locked in, replacing old national currencies. Euro banknotes and coins enter circulation in year 2002. On January 1, 2002, physical euro banknotes and coins were introduced in 12 countries, replacing national currencies like the French franc, German Deutsche Mark, and Italian lira. In 2010's Eurozone debt crisis and reforms was established. Economic struggles in countries like Greece, Spain, and Portugal led to financial bailouts and new fiscal policies to stabilize the currency. Croatia officially adopted the euro, becoming the 20th country to use the currency. Why the euro matters today. It simplifies travel and trade across Europe, reduces exchange rate risks between countries, strengthens the EU's global economic influence. What do you think about the euro? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I would love to hear about which European country you are planning to visit. Share your stories in the comments below. and be sure to stay tuned for more travel tips and insights to make your next adventure unforgettable. Happy travels!